Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download CrystalDiskInfo. So for downloading that, first you have to open Microsoft Store. So let me open here. So now here on the Microsoft Store, you have to search for the CrystalDiskInfo. So let me search here. So here you can see CrystalDiskInfo is showing. Now click on it. Now click on install to download it. So you can see here it is downloading and will take a few seconds to download and install. Let's wait for the installation. So as you can see here, CrystalDiskInfo is installed and now ready to open. So let me open here. So here you can see the status of the disk on my computer. So this is how you can download CrystalDiskInfo and can check the status of your computer's disk. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.